go ahead now.
Yeah, Goshen Moko. Yeah, man, DANZEL Art of Welding. Yeah, man. You know, so that's how we start from, you know, the local shop. So I go on. But greater things in store, see you here. Yeah, man, material and such. You know, the table. Yeah, so we have gate and all, you know, as time goes on. You know, so steers. See you here, one of the welder. Next welder there come see you here too. We run out, let's see you here.
So I already build them also to design.
Yeah, we have some reload the stuff we go install see you here. Yeah, but you see until you can see around. You know,
Yeah, clean up, yeah.
Okay.
just clean up there.
You're just cleaning up to
Yeah,
set it in the
we
right
have a
place.
shed. As you notice, we just start
Start
we
out.
put a shed down there. So we
Okay,
have to
fair
prepare.
enough. Fair enough.
Man, but
Continue talking.
yeah,
brother.
Christ in our vessel. So we
You
have
can
one
smile at the start.
yeah.
So you are one of the worker. What is it that you have to say?
And well, as I can see, the welding project will take time, though we are the uplift the community same way.
You know?
More we have some youth where come the work experience as a same way, so that's why we are try get the shed and set the thing on an official level.
Official level, fair enough.
And then come then they get injured, proper gears and things like those.
Okay. It's just a cleaning up day for them, so they're just setting things in order that they can set it for the other youths coming. It's a good look in the community. Get them off the street. They have a skill. You have anything?
With the music out here to Andy and barbering.
You're the barbering?
And music.
Where?
Yeah, man.
Where the
music? We have a studio run by the lane.
Oh.
Yeah, man, we have one production, so we have music on YouTube.
Okay.
Tragic 812. Same way.
Give the name of the
Tragic 812. TRAGICK 812.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. A whole heap of little thing in our pipeline.
So what about art? Art trust.
Yeah, we need art to come give you interview just like we are at the shop here too.
I think they approach a couple times already, you know. So them are going to start. I know.
Yeah.
Oh, probably you need, as I said, set it up in the way they know that they can.
Structure that can do it the right way, you know.
Okay then.
I don't be place and get it on a level same way.
Fair
Water
enough.
bother with more wild thing.
Fair enough.
Yeah, man.
So good to start with something.
Some young man they are working for what they look work. So I tell him say that I'm going to come to help you set up.
Oh, this young man here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not to go and do it, so come in.
So it's good. It's a good look also in the community to know that you are helping other persons.
Encourage them, you know, young youths out there.
Yeah.
You know, what they happen for achieving the goals, you know, dream. If you want to be a police, you be a police. A welder, be a welder. We not say thief, we not involved in that. So negative, no negative energy around here.
Okay.
Shade positive, you know.
Yeah.
Because the dream, approach it, you receive. Me never believe in myself, you know. Welder them believe in myself, you know.
And they start to help you.
Yeah.
Motivate you and give you encouraging words.
Yeah, they motivate me.
Mm-hmm.
That one time I used to say I can't well. I mean I say them say yo, you can do it. I do it, see me there now. Look at me now. Without the energy around them. Yeah.
So that's a word to the young men out there to encourage them that they don't have to sit on the street.
No.
They can come and learn a skill.
Yeah,
Place there for them, man.
it's easy to learn.
Advance
Yes, man, that's the whole dream because there are a lot of persons you have to know. Because some persons don't know that probably there's a welder in the community here. They all have to go where Mapping or down, you know, but it's right here.
Yeah, right up.
Yeah.
I want to come off of the roadside, man, and learn a trade. Better way that police now antagonize on us. Nah, phone no life still in choice, you know, but we can't tap on the phone. The whole, you know, and make if a phone no choice, that phone no part. But the positive part where I can come in, go learn a trade, you know?
Yeah.
Better way. You know, for now, I say a fool something. You learn trade, but you can learn trade and not get a work. And a long run, 2 years run off. You're a millionaire with the trade
That's
that you
true.
learn.
Can you go overseas?
Yeah,
Overseas,
get
sometimes go
certified.
overseas, they get certified, go overseas, and they are,
So this again the art people them come in.
yeah.
Want you look for help. So if a young man come learn a trade, we can call them and say we have one. So them come certify him, come do a little test. Certify him in a level 1, 2 or 3.
Yes.
But normally level 3 you have a board at a art trust in Portmore.
Hmm.
So me have my certificate, you know.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, me have my certificate. So
That's
me
good.
not talk to encourage you, I mean I have mine. Me have mine.
Yeah.
I me start mine from school.
Yes.
But I hear some come advance.
Yes, fair enough.
Yeah.
On the job training.
Yeah.
To start that.
So I'm going to get certified, come learn a trade. You will involve art in it. Come help my young youths them.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, my faithful YouTube family. Welcome to Jess's Leap of Faith. Please type in the comment section questions you want me to ask the welder on my next visit. I will visit 2 or 3 days per week to see them in action welding. Probably even ask them the name of tools and terms used in welding. This is really a good look in Goshen, Clarendon. Thanks. See you on my next visit. So please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thanks again, my faithful family.